When you put up heavy lights or things, you need more than just a box. You need a strong, reliable brace. Hello everyone, I'm Hamim from Shanghai Linsky. This is our adjustable bar hangers. They help install things safely on ceiling, beams and wall studs. Our bracket can change size to fit 16-inch or 24-inch space perfectly.
At 24 inches wide, it can hold ceiling fans up to 35 pounds and lights up to 50 pounds. At 16 inches wide, it's even stronger. It holds fans up to 70 pounds and heavy lights up to 110 pounds. This is real strength you can trust.
Installation is easy. Just remove the screw from the studs, mount the bar hanger securely, and attach your metallic box, 4-inch, octagon or round. It fits perfect every time. Strong, adjustable and reliable. Our bar hanger holds heavy things safely and meets your high standards. Shanghai Linsky, build your support, build to trust.